char function is over. Now today we are going to discuss about the to_date function only. What the use of to_date function? The to_date function always it can convert the string type date to date data type only. What it is? It can convert the string type date to data type only. Now, for example, now this is my date. Okay, 9 February. Sorry, today's date is 19th. For example, any date you can take it, no problem. 19 February 25 only. What it is? Is it a default format? What is it? Is a default format of your system or our own format for this? Now you can tell me. Is it a default format? What is the default format of our system?
MS.
This is the default format or not?
Yes.
Now down one, what it is?
Our own user.
Own format only, user format only, correct or not? Now what it is? This is a string type data. Now I want to convert the string type date to date only. Date data only. How we can do that? How we can do that? Then we'll go for the to_date function only. Clear? Just for example, I am going to write as a 25 first year. Year only I can give it here. Month I can give it here. February. Next I am going to give it as a date. This is our own format. Okay. Now I want to convert to what it is. This is the user format only. Next one you can give like that. Different things you need to give it here. 2025. Okay. 2025. Next date I am going to give it here 9/19. Then I can give it as a month. Then I can give it as a month. What is the month? 02 or February I can give it here. There are different formats we need to give it here. I want to convert this format to system date only. Now these are all called as user format. In the earlier what we have discussed to_date function, what the use of to_char function? Now you can tell me what the use of to_char function. To_char function is it can convert the string data type to what it is?
Character.
Date data to character only. To_char function what it is? It can convert the what is the main purpose of to_char function?
String to data.
String to
Character.
date. For example, 1 minute, I can tell you what is the default format of here also. Date to string only. Here, what is this is the default system format. Now, what is my date? What is my date? Today, this is the system date only. Date to string format only. That is the use of to_char function. Correct or not? For the use of to_char function, to_char function always it is to convert the system date to character format only. Now, what is the character date? What is the character date? Can I write like this or not? Our own formats. 19 February 25. What is this? This is called as a what is this? System format or user format. Okay. Now what is this? This one. First, this date I want to convert to system date. I want to convert to. Now this is the system data. Converts to your user format only. Okay. User format only. Now for this case, what is the function it can help? To_char only. What the use of to_char function? It is to convert the date to string only. This is the date, default date only. Now this is the default date. Then it can convert to user format. This is the to_char. Now what is the to_date function? The to_date function it can convert the string type date to default date of your system. Now what is this? How we can write that to_date function? To_date. To_date. Now what it is this? Now what is our format? User format only. Just you can take this format. Not this one. What we are going to do? User format to system format. Here it is system format to user format only. To_char function. Clear up to this all of you? Now just I can show you the one example. Then only can able to understand. This is select to_date only. What is the function here? To_date I am going to write it here. To_date function. To_date also it can same. Two arguments we need to pass. One is the date, string type data. Now just I can take the syntax. There are two arguments we need to pass the toDate function. String here we need to give it here, not for date. Here we need what it is given here, syntax, string only. Now we can write it here. Just I can write the toDate function. First I can pass the single argument only. Just I can give the date like this. 19 February 25 I have given here. What I have given here is this is a string. Is it a date format or string format for this? Whatever the input I have given. Now you can
String.
tell me this is a string or date?
String.
String only. Why? Because single quote we have given this string. Now is this is a default format of system or user format?
User format.
User format only. Now if I'm able to run this query, what is the output it can print? It can print the
Default
system format or not?
Yes.
What is the expected output?
Default
What
format.
is the input you have given? User format only. What is the expected output you want to get it? System format only. Is it clear? Which function it can support? If you're able to convert the user format to system format, then we'll go for the toDate function only. Clear? Now next, I'm going to write the different manner. Same way only. Now here I'm going to write it as this one. 19 February 25, this one. 25 February 25 I have taken here. Just run the query. Is it converting or not? Whatever you have given here, just like this it is printing. But here I want to convert the system format. Then we'll go for the second format only. Second, what is the second argument here? Format it is there. Just currently what it is coming, first date it is coming 25, year it is coming, next it is coming as a month, next it is coming as a date. But what is the format of system? 19 February 25, correct? Now how we can convert this date to for this one as a system format, system format, then we can go for this second thing only. Just I can pass the second argument here. Now just observe here what I am going to give it here. Just you can give the some format. Now what is the format here? First year YY. Next one what it is? Month only, February. Next what it is there? Date only. Now after running this query, in the previous what the output it is coming? Without passing the second format, is it a correct output? No. Now if I'm able to run this query, now you can check it. Where it is? Let's see.
MOM.
Month MON, sir. YY MON.
Oh, here. February. What it is here? Date only, correct? Sorry.
MON.
MON DD. Now run the query. Now you want to get the correct format or not? System format it is coming or not?
Yes.
The above output what it is there? This is not a correct format. Sometimes it won't come. Then we can apply the second argument only. Clear up to this all of you? How we can convert the user format to system format. Then we'll go for the toDate function only. This is the way we need to write the query. Now here, now you can observe here one more query. I'm going to write it here. Select to_date of. Just what I'm going to give it here. The date it should be like this. 19/02/25. If I'm able to run this query, if this query will able to accept or not. Just if I'm able to run this query, it can display output. If this query, it can display any output. It can throw some error or not. Why? Because if you're able to give any numeric month to this function, it won't support. Then we'll go for the second argument only. Second argument, we need to pass it here. Just I'm going to take the same query. I can give the format of second argument. Format mask I want to give it here. What is the format mask? How we can give the format mask? What is the first one? DD / what is the month? Numeric month. What it is? MM. Next one what is? 2-digit year. Then we can give it as a YY. Now run the query. You can give the system format or not after running this query. You want to get the output or not? Clear up to this all of you? This is the way we need to write as a ToDate function only. What is the use of ToDate function? The ToDate function always it can convert the user format into system format only. What the use of toChar function? The toChar function always it can convert the system format to user format.
User form.
That's these two you can remember. Now just I can create one table for testing purpose. Just you can see it here. Now I'm going to create one table. Everything we need to do this here. Now what it is, one is the number, second one is the character, third one is the date. There are three different data types are there in this table. One is the number, A is the column, B is the column, C is the column. Three different data types are there. Now, here I'm going to create the table. Oh, 1 minute. Okay. Now just I'm going to create the table. Table is created. Now you can tell me I can insert the values like this. Insert into, what is your table name? Date underscore test. Values I'm going to give it here. Now what is the first one? A, I'm going to give it as a 1. Is it valid value or not? 1.
Yes.
Now I'm going to give it as a character. I'm going to give it as a. Is it valid or not?
Yes, sir.
Next I'm going to give it as a date like this, 19 February 2025. Is it valid or not? This is also
Valid.
Yes.
now. This is a system format or not as of now?
System format.
Now date function, what it is, it can store it as a date only, not for character, correct? Now just run the query. Now one row is inserted or not as of now. Okay. Next I'm going to insert the one more record. One more record I'm going to insert to B. Okay. Now here I'm going to give like this. Okay. Now run the query. This is also I'm going to insert one more record. Is it inserted? Okay, well and good. Next I'm going to insert the 3C. Now I'm going to give it as a, now you can tell me the answer. If I'm able to give the date like this, is it acceptable? Now just I'm going to give the value like this. Is it able to accept? What the error message it is coming? Why it is having the error?
Not
Indicate
valid.
month
It
is
is not a valid date.
Valid.
It's not a valid month. Why? Because this
Valid.
is a user format. Now what is this? This is the date only. Now I want to convert this as which function I need to write for this case scenario. Which function I need to write?
ToDate.
ToDate only. This is the way we need to write in real time also. How we can insert the data into a table. Here, what I am going to do? ToDate function, to_date. Now here, I am going to write as a comma. What is the format I need to give? First DD hyphen MM hyphen YYYY. 4 Ys you need to give. Now, I am going to close one more bracket here. Now run the query. Just clear the output and run the query. The record is inserted or not? The record is inserted into a table or not? Now we can check it. All the rows are inserted into a table or not. Select star from date underscore test. This is the way we need to insert the data into a table also by using ToDate function. Clear? All of you clear for this? Any doubts? ToDate. Now next I am going to move it as a ToNumber function only. ToNumber, very, very rare cases we need to write. Just I am going to write that also. Next one, I am going to move it as a to_number function. This is also same only. How we can, this is always, it can convert the ToNumber function. Always it can convert the string type data to number only. What is the use of this to_number function? Always it can convert the string type data into number data only. Now, for example, this is the string. This is the string value. Single quote we are going to give. This is the string only. Now, what is the expected output? 1, 2, 3. Number only we need to convert. How we can write the query? Select 2_ number. Single quote I am going to write it here. 1, 2, 3. Now here just from dual. There is no format mask I have given. Second argument I no need to give here. Only first argument I give. Now it convert to number only. For example, select 2_ number. Now you can tell me the answer. Now I am going to give the value like this 1, 2, 3, 4.00. Now is it able to convert from dual? Now you can check this. Why it can throw the error? It is invalid number. What is this? This is a string. Now this is the direct value. There is no comma. There is no digits, dots. That's the reason it won't throw any error here. Directly it can apply this function and give the output. Now come to this query. This is the system. It can be treated as a character only. Some format mask here it's required. What is the format mask? Just how we can give it here? Yesterday I explained 999. Just how many dots are there? Just I can give like this. Just run the query. It can convert to this 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Now it's convert to number only. This is the string. I want to convert the string as a number only. This is the way we need to convert. Next, if you are able to give the dollar, for example, I want to give the dollar inside a. By mistakenly have received the value from user like this. But the user wants says I don't want able to see the dollar on the input. Now I want to convert this as a number only. Only 1, 2, 3, 4 I am able to see it. How we can write that query here also? Just if you are able to run this query, simply it can throw the error. Here also we can give the dollar only. Dollar symbol. Now run the query. It can convert as a number only. Clear up to this? This is called as a 2-number function only. 2-number function always it can convert the character type data into number data only. That's the reason we are able to use it as a 2_ number function only. Any doubts as of now?
No.
Clear?
Yes, clear.
Now I'm going to move it as a general function only. Next one, what it is? Last one, functions, general functions only. Already we have covered NVL function. All of you know the NVL function?
Yes, Nandali.
When we'll go for the NVL function? All of you remember or not? First, I can tell you user. User is the one function. These are all called as a predefined functions. User, UID. Next one, NVL already we have covered. NVL2, coalesce, and one more it is the null function. And one more list, greatest. These are the general functions are available in the system. Now already we have discussed this also, user also in the earlier classes. What the use of user function? Can anyone knows this? User function. What is the purpose of user function? Already I told you in the previous class. What is the purpose of this function? User and user. Can anyone tell me?
To perform a specific task.
No, that is a function. Function is nothing but to perform a specific task. This is a user is a general.
User created.
No, not it is. Which user are you able to log in while logging your laptop? Some credentials, correct? No, this is the what is the user here? What the user here? Just if I am able to click this, what is the username here?
ATB.
ATB.
ATB database here. Just 1 minute. I can click on this. This is the name I have given here, correct? Just go to this properties.
User is user only, sir. Yeah.
1 minute. I can tell you. Then only can understand this. What is the username here? Which user are able to connect in your system?
Admin.
Admin only. Now client is the server is located in US. The client wants give the username and password. Which user are you able to log in? How we can able to find out? Just you can write the function like this. Select user from dual.
User. Okay.
I explained this in the previous class. Which user I'm able to log in my laptop? Which user I'm able to log in my laptop?
Admin.
Admin only. User or schema, both are same only. User or schema. Just remember this point. User, sometimes they are going to call it as which user are you able to log in. Sometimes they are going to call it as a schema. Which schema are you able to log in? Currently, as per my laptop, which schema or which user I'm able to log in?
Admin.
Admin only.
Admin.
This is the way we need to find out. Clear up to this, all of you? Now, this
Yes.
is for each user having one ID. Each user having one unique ID. What is the unique ID? This is the one, UID. Now run this query for this admin. What is the ID? 91 only. Some identification number it is there or not? In the for the Indian citizen, how we can able to identify the number? What is the number it is there for each Indian citizen? Either Aadhaar it is there or not? Unique number.
Yes, Aadhaar, PAN.
Yes, sir.
PAN it is the identification of numbers only. For the same way here also, we need to do the same only. Now, which user are you able to log in? Admin only. What is the idea for this admin? 91 only. This is the way we are able to find out in the real time also. Okay. Next one. What is the next function? NVL already we have covered. I don't want to explain. If you are again we need to explain. Again, is it required for all of you? NVL function?
No.
No, I will go for the NVL2. Okay. If you want require, again I will tell you. Next one is the NVL2. What is the purpose of NVL2? This is the extension version of NVL only. NVL function, how many arguments it can accept?
2.
Two arguments.
Okay. NVL function always it can able to accept the 2 arguments only. Expression 1,
Expression
expression 2
two.
only. Okay. Now what is the meaning of this expression? If expression 1 is null, what value it can be replaced?
Expression
Second
two.
value.
Two.
Second value.
If expression 1 is having some value, what it is printing?
Expression one.
Expression one.
Expression 1 only. Same it is printing. No need to go for the expression 2. Correct? This is the NVL function only. Now we'll go for the NVL2. NVL2 it can accept the 3 arguments only. Expression 1, expression 2, expression 3 only. Okay. How many parameters or arguments we need to pass the expression NVL2 function? 3 only. Now, if expression 1 is null, it can print it as a expression 3 only. Clear all of you? If expression 1 is null, what value it is printing? Null, it can print
Expression 2.
expression 3. Null. 1 minute, I can check. Okay. Next one, what it is? If expression 1 is not null, then it can print. I think expression 2. 1 minute, we can check. This is it can print expression 3. 1 minute, I can tell you the example, then we can decide here. Select NVL2. Just first I can give it as a null only. Okay. Now here 100, 200 I have given. Now run the query from dual. What value it is printing? 200.
Expression
What
three.
does it mean? Expression 3 only. Okay. If expression 1 is null, it can print it as a expression 3. Now here, if expression 1 is not null, what value it is printing? If expression 1 is having some value, what it is printing?
Expression
Expression
one.
two.
Just 1 minute, I can give it as a 50. Okay, it is a value. Expression 1 is having a value or not? If it
Yes.
is a value, what value it is printing?
100.
100 only. Now run the query. Is it clear up to this, all of you? What is the meaning of NVL2 function? If expression 1 is having null, it can print it as a expression 3. If expression 1 is having a value, it can print it as a expression 2 only. Now you can tell me the answer for this. Select NVL2. Now I am going to give it as a null. Now I am going to give it as a 200. Which value it can print?
200.
First one, it is expression 1 is for here also I am going to give it as a null only. Now
Null.
what the value it is printing? Is it printing any value or nothing? Is it printing any value or nothing? If expression 1 is null, what value it is printing? Expression 3. Expression 3 is having any value as per our query?
No.
No. Now, what the output is printing? Nothing
Nothing.
only. 1 minute. Clear up to this, all of you? How we can find out this? Now, one requirement I'm going to tell you here. I don't want to write the function first. This is the query. First, select ename, job, commission, salary, salary plus commission. Correct or not? Now here, just from EMP. Now, what the values it is there here? Employee name, job, commission, salary, salary plus commission. What is my current requirement? My current requirement, if salary plus commission is null, then I can print it as a salary only. All of you clear the requirement? If salary plus commission is having null, what value I am going to print? Otherwise, if commission is null, what I am going to print here? Just see this example, NVL2 function. If commission is null, what I am going to print? Salary only. Okay, all of you clear the requirement? If commission is null, what I am going to print? Salary only. If commission is not null, what I am going to print? Only what it is there here? Sal plus commission only. All of you clear the requirement? Just I can tell you the requirement. Commission column it is there. Okay. Now if the commission column is null, what I am going to print? Salary only. If commission column is not null, what we are going to print? Salary plus commission. Is it clear the requirement? All of you clear the requirement? ఈ పర్టికులర్ కాలంలో నల్ ఉంటే నాకు ఏం ప్రింట్ రావాలి? కమిషన్ కాలంలో నల్ ఉంటే శాలరీ అని ప్రింట్ అవ్వాలి. ఇక్కడ శాలరీ ఏముంది? ఇక్కడ దీని కరస్పాండింగ్ శాలరీ 7 ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కింగ్ అనే ఎంప్లాయీ శాలరీ నల్ ఉంది. ఇక్కడ కమిషన్ నల్ ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఏం రావాలి? ఇక్కడ అవుట్పుట్ శాలరీ అనేది రావాలి, 5000 రావాలి. అప్పుడు ఏ ఫంక్షన్ యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి నేను? చూడండి, ఈ ఫంక్షన్ రాయాలి. NVL2. Just NVL2 only. Now here, now run the query. Is it get the output or not? Wherever the commission is null, only it can display the salary only. Now commission is not null. If the commission is not null, what value it is printing?
Salary plus commission.
Salary. Total it is what it is coming? 1900 it is coming. Is it correct or not? Now I am going to tell you the one more requirement. Just I can give this requirement. What is my current requirement? I am going to tell you here. Same only, NVL2 function only, like that only. Just you can see here. What it is there? If update all employee commission in a table based on the following conditions only. If commission is null, then what value we are going to print? If commission is null, what value we are going to print? 1000 only. Now, if commission is not null, what we are going to update? Commission
plus 1000.
Now how we can write the query? Normally just check it. Select commission from EMP. Just you can write the query like this. If commission is null, what value we are going to print? What we are going to print? If it is null, what value we are going to print? 1000 only. Correct or not? If it is not null, what we are going to print? For this commission plus 1000. How we can write the query? Same. Update EMP set. Which column we need to update? Commission only. Equal to what I am going to write? NVL2. NVL2. What is the column? Commission only. If it is commission not null, what value we are going to print? If it is not null, what value we are going to print?
Commission
plus 1000.
If it is null, what we are going to print?
1000.
That's it. We need to update all the employees or only specific employees for the entire condition as per our requirement.
All employees.
All
All
employees.
employees.
Now run the query. It can update how many rows?
14.
Now go to your query, just apply the commit. Now go to your query. Now all the value commission is updated or not? Wherever it is null, that only it is updated to 1000. Correct or not? The remaining all are updated to based on this condition only. Clear? All of you clear for this? NVL2. Anyone is having any doubts as of now? Any doubts for this? NVL2. This is the very advanced functions for these two. NVL and NVL2. These are the very important. Okay. Now next one. Sorry to disturb for this. I have office call for this. Today I will wind up for this. Tomorrow we'll continue remaining functions. Okay, all of you. Sorry to say this.
Okay. No.
I have one message. It is coming. I will attend the call.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Recording stopped. Recording in progress.